Hello children, in the unit 10th oscillation, in this lecture we will start free oscillation, forced resonance and resonant frequency. Free oscillation is that if the body oscillates with its frequency is called free oscillation. Let us suppose that a simple pendulum is displaced from the main position and released from this point. Then, due to restoring force, it comes to the main position. From the main position, it goes to the extreme position and start to oscillate. Then the frequency of this simple pendulum is attained by its natural frequency, and this type of the oscillation is known as free oscillation. Second is forced oscillation. If the body is forced to oscillate with a frequency other than its natural frequency is called forced oscillation. Let us suppose this is a simple pendulum and it is a tuning fork. Let the tuning fork is vibrating with its frequency. Suppose it is of 512 Hertz, it is of 288 Hertz, it is of 320 Hertz. Then this tuning fork gives its energy to the simple pendulum. Then this simple pendulum start to vibrate. So this is known as forced oscillation. Next is resonance and resonant frequency. What is resonance? When a body is under forced oscillation and it oscillates with a frequency equal to its natural frequency. Suppose the frequency of the oscillating body meet to the natural frequency, then this phenomena is known as resonance, and the frequency with which body oscillates, that is known as resonant frequency.